Today I'm offering you one of the best villas in a town, facing the Trump International Golf Club. Let's see the view. In this community, we have a 6, 7, 8, and 9 bedroom villas. Let's see the quality we are providing. We have a ready to move in, ready by next year, and ready by next 2 years. If you'd like to visit the show villa, just contact me.